Hello. Today we will talk about the second step of biological method. Second step of biological method is observation. Let's talk observation in detail. As the first step in solving a biological problem, biologist recalls his/her previous observations or makes new ones. Observations are made with 5 senses of vision. Thus 5 senses of vision are hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Let's talk about types of observation. There are 2 types of observation. These are qualitative observation and quantitative observation. So what is the definition of quantitative observation? Quantitative observation involves the data that can be expressed with numbers. Let's talk about the definition of qualitative observation. Qualitative observation involves the data that are typically based on subjective criteria. Quantitative observations are considered more accurate than qualitative ones. So what is the reason behind why quantitative observations are considered more accurate than qualitative ones? So the answer is that because the former are invariable and measurable and can be recorded in terms of numbers. Examples of qualitative and quantitative observations are given below. First example of qualitative observations is the freezing point of water is colder than the boiling point. First example of quantitative observations is the freezing point of water 0 degrees centigrade and the boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade. Second example qualitative observations is a liter of water is heavier than a liter of ethanol. Second example of quantitative observations is a liter of water weighs 1,000 grams and a liter of ethanol weighs 789 grams. So difference between these 2 observations is that numbers are present in quantitative observation, but numbers are not present in qualitative observations. Observations also include reading and studying about what others have done in the past. Because scientific knowledge is ever growing. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the third step of biological method, that is formulation of hypotheses. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel. Thank you.